guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me yet, I'm Christina, I'm personal stylist, and in today's video we will talk about how not to look boring in office wear. Well, I know this may be a problem for many of you because many jobs require a business dress code, so I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks God, gone are the times when you had to wear these boring clothes because, there are not many offers for clothes and it was kind of making you look older at times. Boring colors, boring cuts, granny clothes, simply made for older women. But nowadays, with all of the offers around, with the designers or any kind of labels we have, you don't need to look boring. So let's get started. My first tip would be mix black with bold prints. Obviously black is always this kind of staple color in many wardrobes. It can be also navy, obviously. And adding some nice printed skirt, like, floral printed pink skirt to like a black top or vice versa, it can really add that little something not boring to your outfit. As I said, it can be any kind of print. It doesn't have to be, just skirt or blouse. It can be also your blazer, just like anything that really you like. And this is definitely something that will not look boring. And obviously, given also we have spring now, summer is coming very soon, with bold prints and like fun prints, you will definitely shine in your job. And same goes for suits. I talked about black color, obviously. Again, usually the suits will be black, gray, navy blue, sort of these kind of colors. But again, you don't need to just stick to those. What about pink? What about yellow? What about red? I'm sure you will have a lot of attention if you wear these colors, and definitely it will make you look also much nicer because obviously gray, navy, and black, they are like not the nicest colors to really make you pop. Obviously, you need to know your colors. Even though, for example, red, I think that red suits almost anyone. So knowing your colors and definitely having this kind of power suit, I think is going to be perfect. My next tip is, well, it's a general tip in a way, but be creative. For example, one of the staple pieces of a business wear closet would be classic white shirt. And it doesn't have to be just like this. The shirt, it can be white shirt, but it can have short sleeves. It can have ruffles. It can have some embellishment. It can have balloon sleeves. You can add a belt if the shirt and your body is suitable for that. So really try to play with it. Be creative. Same goes for the bottom half. You don't have to wear pencil skirt all the time or classic cigarette pants all the time. It can be different pants. It can be palazzo pants. It can be wide leg pants. There are so many options. Just really try to be more open-minded and really be creative. My next tip would be invest in a nice bag. Okay, I understand this may be you think like, why I don't need a bag, like, and I'm at work, I don't wear a bag to like a meeting or conference or whatever it is. But some of you may need to dress formally if you have some meetings with clients, obviously outside your office, like you go for work lunch or such, a work dinner, and there it is a big thing, obviously. So I would definitely invest in a bag that is in bold color. Obviously, if you are not talking about how not to look boring in this video, I will tell you go for black or navy or beige. But in this case, again, red would be a good choice. Yellow could be a good choice. Yeah, these kind of colors, pink, for example, also, it all has to be in match with your personality and your style, obviously. So, but definitely having a bold colored bag will definitely put a new spice in your outfits. Next tip is try to be a bit more casual. Now, I know that at some jobs you really have to stick to the dress code and it's strict. Obviously it can vary. But if it's not overly strict, but still it's formal wear in a way, try to go a bit more casual. Because I already mentioned the white shirt. It doesn't have to be just this white shirt you have to wear all the time. You can have like a pencil skirt, but try to wear it with a different top that you maybe would not even think of, that is like more casual, obviously, that has some fun color, fun print, and so on. But remember, it doesn't have to be just this classic white shirt. Another tip, you already know this one, but here it plays a huge role, and that is accessories. Obviously, depending on like what you like and what you don't like, you can add statement necklace, statement earrings, you can add a scarf. That's a really feminine, nice, elegant accessory. So really something that will make your outfit pop, because it is a huge difference. Again, you heard it from me already many times, but as I say, in this case, definitely go for it and don't forget to accessorize. My next tip has to do with accessories again, and that is forget the boring shoes. Again, go for some funky shoes, some, I don't know, cheetah print shoe, or red pumps, or just anything. There are so many shoes nowadays that are even like crazy, but they are still pumps or like heel sandals. So definitely go for it. My personal favorite would definitely be the cheetah printed shoe, for example. So definitely this can be so big. And my last tip would be, don't wear the same thing over and over again. One of the things that I think is so important when it comes to your style and obviously your closet in general is having your uniform, because it's always nice to know what I will wear, and just like having your staples that will always be your go-to outfit. But in this case, I think with the uniform, you would turn into this boring lady in the office. So definitely, I would go into more the creative side, as I already mentioned, and really, try to be open-minded and go out of your comfort zone. And, basically what I mentioned in the previous tips applies to this one. Go for more fun colors, more fun prints, quirky stuff, statement accessories, and so on, and be changing it. If you never wear dresses to work, go for some dresses. If you never wear, I don't know, cardigans, try some cardigan. If you always just wear skirts, go for pants. If you wear just, cigarette pants, try to wear like pants. If you never wear colors, go for more colors. There's, so many things you can do. I'm trying to put here some pictures with fun outfits that you can get inspiration from, so you can see what is possible, and I hope it gives you a nice idea what I mean. So this is it. You definitely don't need to look boring in your job. I hope you enjoyed my tips. As I said, definitely be creative, just play with it, play with the colors, and try to find what suits you, what doesn't suit you, because obviously some people are really going crazy at times, and some people still kind of do big change in a short period of time. So as I said, I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm posting videos every Sunday, and I will see you in my next one.